Mr.VAK, vacuum cleaner, sales and repairs. Mr.VAK, vacuum cleaner, sales and repairs. If your vacuum giving you problems, then bring it in. 3624 West Silver Spring, we'll get it clean. Belt broke, no problem, we'll replace it for a low price. We'll fix it right the first time. Our service top of the line. Drop it off, we'll fix it, have it back to you in no time. Spread the word around. Mr.VAK, we specialize in vacuum cleaners, sales and repairs. Mr.VAK, new and rebuild vacuums and carpet cleaners. Repair of all brands and models. Stop on in, 3624 West Silver Spring Drive. Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5. Give them a call at 414-466-8666. Visit online at www.mrvak.com.